This is Taffy, an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Uh-oh. I just dropped the treats, didn't I, Taffy? Oh, Taffy just arrived here. She's waiting for her home now at PetSmart in Nashua. And she's out here exploring and saying, let me check out my new digs. Hopefully it won't be for too long, Taffy. Hopefully you get a real home pretty soon. But until then, we'll take good care of you, huh? Treats and all. Oh yeah. So Taffy was so good in the car. I bet Taffy would love to be just kind of riding around with you in a car. No complaints whatsoever. And then when we got here, she was a little hesitant to get out of her carrier and decided that she would prefer sitting on my lap for a little while. And since then, she's been kind of following me around. Uh-oh, a dog noise. How do you feel about dogs? Yeah, I don't know. You're a cutie, Taffy. The dog's not going to get you. Yeah, all these new noises at this new place, huh? You're safe. You're safe, Taffy. Oh, just in case. Yeah. Just in case you protect yourself in there, huh? You're a good girl, Taffy. I don't think Taffy is too keen on dogs, huh? I don't know. What do you think, Taffy? Bye-bye. Bye, Taffy girl. You're my buddy.